I'm coming to you today with a video about car electronics. This is my 1998 Mitsubishi 3000 GT, and look at the radio location in this car. It's all the way down by the shifter, and I do have an aftermarket radio in it, but all it does is play music. It doesn't have navigation, and even if it did, I'd have to look all the way down there to get to it. I do wish this car had a unit up here on the dashboard like more modern cars do, but it's not like I'm going to recreate a whole dashboard. We do have these cool gauges here that I wouldn't want to remove anyway. In this package here, I have something that's going to solve all of those problems for me and more. So let's get it open. Carpuride was nice enough to sponsor the channel so that I could show off this awesome product to you guys. In this safe and discreet packaging right here is a product that can bring your old car into the new times. This is a touchscreen display. It's not a head unit like that, because to install a head unit like I have in this car, you have to have a double DIN kit, an adapter, and do a whole bunch of wiring. This is way easier and more convenient than that. What this product does is it has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, and AutoLink. But the installation only takes a few minutes. You can see there's protective foam fully surrounding the products so that you know nothing is going to get damaged in shipping. Let's pull it out. There's our screen. And then under here, everything else that comes with it. There's multiple different types of mounts. I have one right here. Another type right here. We have a reverse camera, which is waterproof and has night vision. And then the wiring to make your connections. Very easy. Here's our screen. I still have the screen protector on because I want to keep it protected until it's fully installed. Looks very nice. And then here's our connections on the side of it. Very simple, but everything you would need. You have the power supply for the screen, a USB, audio, video, camera in, SD card, and the microphone spot. And then on top, you have your nice power button right there. Very convenient and easy to use. You have two different options when it comes to mounting this unit. You have either the plate or the suction cup. The plate, you can see there's holes. You could use screws if you wanted, but they also include a double-sided adhesive pad. So if you have a nice flat dashboard, unlike me, you can see mine has humps on it, you can just adhere that right to your dash and have the unit right there for you. It does adjust the angle like that and adjust the angle side to side too. Just rotates. This suction cup mount is very nice. It both telescopes out. If you loosen this top nut, you can extend it, as you can see, and then loosen that rear nut and you can adjust the angle like that. So you have tons of options for where and how you want to mount this. You can go upside down like that. You can go to the dash. I super easily configured the suction cup mount because I'm a little skeptical of sticking anything to my dashboard, but I hooked up the suction mount to the windshield, adjusted the two arm adjustments, And now I have a screen sitting right above my triple gauges in my 3000 GT. Yeah, I have my unit turned on. Comes up with all these options right away. You have Apple CarPlay, which is wireless, which is a really big deal to me because a lot of even the new cars that are coming out with Apple CarPlay, you have to plug in your USB. And then even if you're using an OEM Apple cable, it'll often be a problem with connection, it'll cut out. The Android Auto is another big one. For you Android guys, you have that option. The AirPlay is pretty awesome. You can actually play videos and stuff on it. The AutoLink has EQ, so you have audio adjustments built into this. You don't have to do it on your factory radio. Regular Bluetooth, you have USB inputs, SD card inputs. Connection is as easy as it could possibly be. You just hit Bluetooth and then go into your Bluetooth settings on your phone and find the one that says Carpuride. Click it and it's as easy as that. You click allow CarPlay on your phone and then you're in. I can't show you the process because I'm recording this video with my phone, but it is very easy. You can see, you hit Bluetooth, Carpuride, discoverable, and then once you're in, you'll be able to go into CarPlay. All the shortcut buttons are very easy to understand and use, very self-explanatory, and it does have voice controls too. There's 3 main ways of playing audio off the Carpuride units, and honestly, any one of them is a good option. So first off, it has FM transmitting. So if you have a factory radio, you don't need an aftermarket unit like I have in this car. If you have a factory radio, you can just go here, select one of these, which preferably is something that there aren't any stations using that frequency around you, so there's no interference. And you'll just dial your factory radio to that, and it'll play wirelessly by transmitting that to the FM. Your second option, which is the one I'm planning to use, is there's an aux cord port on this, and it even came with an aux. And that is a simple connection. For me, it's on the back of my radio, so I'm going to run a wire from the back of the radio up and to behind this, and then whatever I'm playing through my CarPlay, AirPlay, whatever it be on here, is going to go to the radio that's wired to the car and play through all my speakers like normal. That option is good if you have a car, say from the mid-2000s or early 2010s, that has aux compatibility but no Bluetooth compatibility. It's perfect. You're not only adding Bluetooth to your car, but you're adding CarPlay to your car that was not meant to have it, and it's very easy install. Anyone could do it. The Carpuride unit does have its own speaker. The unit also has some cool features like audio tuning. You can really tune it to have the exact sound you're looking for, and it does have a loud mode. Why not? And it also has brightness adjustability, of course, but you also have the option for automatic brightness adjustment. So if you're driving around at night, it'll dim for you, and then driving around in the bright daylight, it'll make it lighter so you can see it easier. So that is an option for you as well. With very easy power input and installation and a high quality screen compatible with CarPlay and Android Auto, I really don't see a reason you wouldn't want this thing. It'll bring your car that's 25 years old like this one into the modern era, let you navigate safely to your destination and listen to some tunes while you're doing it. The link to this unit is going to be in both the description and in the comments. Carpuride has a whole lineup of different units, not just this one, so you can pick the best one to suit your needs. Again, I want to thank Carpuride for sponsoring today's video.